नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम इन आवर ऑनलाइन स्टडी ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स.
Dear, in this video, we have to discuss about the mathematics of class 10th, linear equation in two variables, that is equations reducible to pair of linear equation in two variables. How to reduce the given equations into the pair of linear equations and how to solve it. So dear, let us start. We have to take a question that is 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y equal to 4. This is equation number 1. And 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y equal to minus 2. So this is the equation number 2. Now we will reduce this equation into a pair of linear equation. How can you convert it? So dear, we will write it as, that is equation number 1 you can write as 10 into 1 upon x plus y plus 2 into 1 upon x minus y equal to 4. Okay, and second equation you can write, that is 15 into 1 upon x plus y minus 5 into 1 upon x minus y equal to minus 2. Clear? Because 10 into 1, that is 10 upon x plus y, 15 into 1, that is 15 upon x plus y, and this is 2 into 1 upon x minus y, and minus 5 banja 5 by x minus y equal to minus 2. So let's we write it as, let 1 upon x plus y equal to a and 1 upon x minus y equal to b. Now you substitute this value in the given equation number 3 and 4. What you get? From equation 3 and 4. Equation 3 and 4 you will get, that is 10 into, this is 1 upon x plus y, 1 upon x plus y, that is a, that is 10 into a, okay, plus 2 into 1 upon x minus y and 1 upon x y equal to b, that is 2b equal to 4, and 15 same to same we will write 15a minus 5b equal to minus 2. Okay, so you can see that 1 upon x plus y replaced by a, 1 upon x minus y replaced by b. So the both equation 3 and 4 convert into a pair of linear equation and two variable, and here variables are a and b. Okay, now we will solve these two equations by any one method, like that substitution method, elimination method, and by cross multiplication method. Okay dear, so for this equation we will solve by the method, means we will solve this equation by cross multiplication method. Okay, so we will write it as a upon equal to b upon equal to 1 upon. Okay, now you have already learned about the cross multiplication method, that you will write first of all the coefficient of b with sign, that is 2 and minus 5. After that constant term minus 4 and plus 2. Why? Because this is not in standard form. First of all you transpose to left side, 4 you transpose left side, then you will get minus 4 equal to 0, and minus 2 if you transpose to left side, then you will get plus 2 equal to 0. So the constant term is minus 4 and plus 2. After that, the coefficient of A 10 and 15. After that, once again you will repeat the coefficient of B, that is 2 and minus 5. Same to same. Okay. Now you will cross multiply to each other. 2 2s are 4 and then put negative sign. After that 5 4s are 20 and minus minus plus. So 20 positive. And for B you multiply these two pair. That is 15 4s are 60 with negative sign minus 60, and 10 2s are 20 plus 20. First of all you put minus sign and then 20. After that constant term you multiply these two pair, that is 10 5s are 50 minus 50. Okay, and put negative sign, and 15 2s are 30, so plus 30. Now on solving we will get A upon 20 minus 4, that is minus 16. Okay, and B upon 60 and 20 both are negative, means you will add and put same sign minus 80, and equal to, this is 50 and 30, once again you will get minus 80. Okay, you can cancel all the negative sign from all third part. Let us, this is first, this is second, and this is third part. Okay, now you take first and last first. How can you solve this? From first and last. First is A upon 16 and last is 1 upon 80. So you will get, that is A equal to 16 1 ja 16 and 16 5 ja 180, that is 1 upon 5. Okay, and for next what you get, that is first and second and third, that is B upon 80 equal to 1 upon 80, and 80 and 80 cancel from both sides, so you will get B equal to 1. Clear? Now dear, we will write it as next step. This is the value of A and B. A equal to 1 upon 5, and the value of A is, you have to take 1 upon x plus y. So 1 upon x plus y equal to 1 upon 5. By cross multiplication you will get x plus y, 1 ja x plus y, and 5 1 ja 5. This is equation number 5. Okay, and again next one, B equal to, given that 1, and the value of B is 1 upon x minus y, that is 1 upon 1. So you cross multiply, what you get, 1 upon x minus y ban ja x minus y, and 1 into 1 means 1. So this is the equation number 6. Now we will solve these equations simultaneously. Again what you get, that is x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 1. Adding these two equations from equation 5 and 6, you will get, what get, y positive y negative both are cancelled. So 2x equal to 5 and 1 6, that is x equal to 6 upon 2. Transpose this 2 to right side, that you will get x equal to 3. And now substitute this value of x in any one equation. What you get? that you will get from equation 5. Equation 5 we will get, that is x plus y equal to 5. So dear, what you get? This is x means 3 plus y equal to 5. So y equal to 5, transpose this 3 to right side, means you will get y equal to 2. Hence you will get the solution. What the solution? Therefore solutions are this equation: x equal to 2, x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. So this is your answer, and thus you have to solve a reducible linear equation and two variable. First of all, you will consider a new variable. After that, when it is changed into the pair of linear equation, then you will apply by any method. So here we have to apply cross multiplication method, and the cross multiplication method was, you will write the coefficient, that is first of all you write the coefficient of b, after that constant term, after that coefficient of first, and once again you write the coefficient of this b, and by cross multiply you can write serially. After that you can solve it. Now let's question number 2, and question number 2 is this type: for what value of a and b does the following pair of equations have an infinite number of solutions? And system is given x plus 2y equal to 7 and a under bracket x plus y minus b x minus y equal to 3a plus b minus 2. This is the equation number 2. But equation number 2 not in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So first of all, we will convert this equation into the standard form from equation number 2. Equation number 2 is given. Operate back bracket, first of all you will write it as a into x plus a into y minus b into x, and again minus and minus plus b into y equal to 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, now you take x as a common in these two terms, so you will get a, x is common, that is a minus b. Okay, and now in these two terms you have to take y as common, so you will get a plus b y, because here is positive a and positive b, so you write a plus b y equal to 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, now this is the standard form, that is ax plus by equal to c. Okay, so this is equation number 3. Now on comparing equation 1 by a1x plus b1y equal to c1, and we will get a1 equal to what? A1 equal to, you can write here 1, so 1, and b1 equal to what you get? b1 is 2, and c equal to, that is constant term, so c1 equal to 7. On comparing again, on comparing equation number 3 by a2x plus b2y equal to c2, what you get? Again you see a2, you compare this a2x to this one, so what you get? A minus b, and b2 2y. b2 means this is coefficient of y. So b2 equal to a plus b, and c2 equal to, that is constant term. So constant term is 3a plus b minus 2. But you know that, dear, for the condition is given that infinite many solution, if system have infinite many solution, then what you get? That is a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. What you get? You will get, on putting the value of a and b, that is a1 is, you see here, a1 is 1 and a2 is a minus b, equal to b1 is given that 2, and here is b2 is given that what? That is a plus b, and c1 is given here, what is, you see, c1 is 7, and c2 is given that 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, so on solving this, what you get? This is first part, this is second part, and this is third part. So take in first and last, otherwise you take first and second. What you get? 1 upon a minus b equal to 2 upon a plus b from first and second. From first and second, you will get by cross multiplication 2a into minus 2b equal to 1 multiplied by this, that is a plus b. Okay, then you will get, what you get? You will get 2a, transpose all the variables to left side, that is 2a minus a and minus 2b and minus b equal to 0. So you will get a minus 3b equal to 0. Otherwise you can write it as a equal to 3b. This is the equation number 4. Okay, now you have to take second and third. From first and second we can take also first and third. What you get? That is 1 upon a minus b equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. So dear, on cross multiplication, 7 into a, that is 7a minus 7b, and 1 is multiplied to this denominator, that is 3a plus b minus 2. So what you get? You will get, dear, 7a transpose to all, 7a minus 3a minus 7b minus b, and constant term is right hand side, same to same. So 7a minus 3a means 4a, and 7b minus, this is 8b, and equal to minus 2. Now you can divide this whole equation by 2. So you will get 2a minus 4b equal to minus 1. This is the equation number 5. Now you substitute this value of a in this equation. What you get? You will get, dear, 2a minus 4b means this is a equal to 3b. So you substitute this value, that is 2a, a means 3a, 3b. So you put here 3b minus 4b equal to minus 1. So this is 6b, okay, 2 3 are 6, minus 4b equal to minus 1, that is 6b minus 2b. 6b minus 4b means 2b equal to minus 1, and you will get b equal to minus 1 upon 2. Okay, now from equation 4, from equation 4 we get what you get, that is a equal to 3b, 3 into b, and b we have to already find minus 1 by 2, that is a equal to 3 into minus 1 by 2. So this is 3 1 ja 3, that is minus 3 by 2. Hence we will get the answer, that is a equal to minus 1 by 2 and b equal to minus 3 by 2. So this is your final answer. So this is the important question.
So thank you friends to watching my video up to last, and don't forget to like, share and comment it, and subscribe my channel for getting first of all my video. Thank you once again.